If you like ice cream, you cannot miss this trick. We are going to make an ice bowl to keep ice cream for much longer. First, we take a container and fill it with water halfway. Add inside orange apple slices and mint leaves. Next, we put another smaller bowl inside the first one. We keep in the freezer for about 4 hours. Once frozen, remove the small container and very carefully take off and remove the frozen bowl. Done. We can use this simple ice container, which will keep our ice cream cold for longer. You can also use it to serve fruit salad.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.